Joto, greetings Geocampus Explorers, this is Dr. Chalk. I'm walking around the Asalat Ranger Com Base Camp 0 and had a little question, right? Who is wealthier? You know, when the colonizers went out to search for the golden cities of El Dorado to get the booty, to get the gold, to get the wealth and riches, indigenous people were living in the lands that celebrated the sun, in the golden sun's rays, in the golden cities, in circularity, in harmony with the nature spirits, in harmony with the water spirits that actually brought them the gold that they adorned their bodies with. So tell me, what is wealth? Is wealth inflationary fiat? Is wealth domination? Is wealth struggle in collapsing systems? Or is wealth integration with nature and actually connecting with the resources that everybody is fighting for? The clean water, the fertile earth. What is wealth?